well, as you can see, that was the Draken Aviation services we've just seen. Came over this afternoon, as you can tell anyway. Which, as you can tell, the registration as we've seen today is G-FRAI, we've seen today apparently. So yes, as you can tell, the registration as we've seen today is G-FRAI, we've seen today apparently. So yeah, as you can see, the call sign is AMBER3. It is though, the call sign is AMBER3 on that one, which is the F-20 that we now usually see on the Tuesdays apparently, which we sometimes see on a Tuesday anyway. So yeah, let's have a look where he took off from. So as you can see, he took off from his base, just from his usual base at Bournemouth Airport, just around 2:80 PM anyway, which I think it was just after 2:15 anyway. So he literally just took off from his base at Bournemouth Airport just around, probably just after 2:15 anyway, around 2:80 sort of time. Well, technically he was on the ground at the time anyway. There we go, if we go back to that. And then, yeah, he was on the ground at 2:80 and then took off. Then he just took off just around, probably I'll say before 2:30 anyway. So I think it took off probably just around 2:30 anyway, around 2:30 sort of time anyway. It took off anyway. So yeah. Let's have a look. It's come all the way from Bournemouth and then flew in from Exeter. And for some reason he flew in just about 180 feet from here, apparently. That's where he was to start with. And just from here, he kind of just dropped down over on the south coast anyway. Just dropped down over on the South Ocean anyway. And then just from here, he worked around all the way from probably nearer to north-south anyway. So yeah, he was kind of just over on south of Devon anyway. And then he climbed back up again anyway. So as you can see, the height flew that was around 25,000 feet he flew in today apparently. So he flew in just around 25,000 feet today apparently though, which, fortunate to say, he's flown up quite high today apparently. So yeah, he's flown up quite high today though, I would say. Fortunately, because of today, he's flown up quite high today though, which is a bit unusual. So yeah, he flew very high today apparently. So yeah, which hopefully very soon he should be going back to his base at Bournemouth Airport very soon hopefully. Which hopefully he should be on his way back there very soon hopefully. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.